to my channel. My name is Sapna and welcome to day 3 of the Vibgyor week. Guys, I'm doing one full week of inspired makeup looks. So today the inspiration is color blue from the Vibgyor, that is the rainbow palette. And interesting thing about today's video is that I'm going to be trying the Freedom palette, not the entire palette but a few colors. How beautiful this palette is. I'm going to be telling you guys about this palette. It is beautiful, it has amazing bright colors and it is super pigmented. I love the pigmentation of this palette. So I'm using a couple of shades from this palette apart from a lot of other makeup products, and I jazzed up it with a nice peachy orangey kind of a lip, which is from Jeffree Star Watermelon Soda. Let me show you guys. So this is the lipstick that I used for this makeup look. It's from Jeffree Star called Watermelon Soda, a beautiful summery color. So if you guys are interested in watching this makeup tutorial, then please stay tuned. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell. So let's begin with the video now. So guys, like always, I'm going to start with priming or prepping my eye using a concealer. Then taking the bhcosmetics 120 professional eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this very light, subtle blue and apply it on my crease. Obviously, this is not a warm color, so I won't say warming up my crease. It's a cool tone color, but just applying it so that I get a nice smoked out effect. So taking a blending brush and just smoking it out on my crease line, or my crease area rather. Then taking this slightly deeper blue from the previous color, I am going to deepen my crease a little more using a blending brush. Always guys, pat the color first and then softly blend it. Now taking the Freedom's palette, eyeshadow palette, which I just showed you, I'll take this blue color and a small blending brush, which is from Pro Art, one of my favorite brushes to blend and apply eyeshadows on my crease. So I'm just going to deposit this color once again in tapping motions, no dragging, no swiping, and then just in circular motions, and with a very feather hand I am going to just blend this dark blue with the lighter blue. Going back with my bhcosmetics palette, I will take a slightly darker blue, which is almost like an indigo blue color, and taking a pencil brush, which is very good for your specific crease lines or cut creases. I'm going to apply this once again just beneath the previous blue so that my blues still show up, and this one just helps me to deepen up my crease a little more, and then just blend it out. Now taking this white eyeshadow, it's a proper matte white from the Freedom palette. I'm going to apply it on my brow bone and also blend it with the blue. So when you are applying colors on your crease, make sure that you use at least 2 to 3 shades which are darker in intensity. And now it's time to cut the crease. So I'll take a nice sharp brush and my cream concealer and just take your time, go step by step and just draw a nice cut crease the way you desire. So take it up and then just take it a little down and wing it out if you want to wing it out. So depositing the entire cream concealer on my lid, I'm just going to apply a little bit of that dark blue eyeshadow once again on my crease and deepen it. Now taking the same dark blue eyeshadow, I'm going to deposit it on my outer part, not in a V format, but as you guys can see, I'm just depositing it towards my lash line with a lid brush. Now I will take the medium blue and deposit it next to the dark blue and blend it. And now I'll take the white eyeshadow and once again deposit it on the inner part of my lid close to the crease or the cut crease and blend it with the medium blue. So make sure that you blend all the eyeshadows together. It should look all seamless and nice. And just to deepen it up a little more, I'll take a very deep blue color on a small shader brush and apply it very close to my lash line and blend it with the darker blue so that it gives a nice gradient smoked out effect and it looks pretty nice. And I can't play around much with colors because today's theme is blue, you guys. So just working with my blues, but you can use a lot of many color combinations if you so desire. So just make sure that everything is nice and blended. Now I'll I'll curl my eyelashes using my curler, and once again going with the same blue from my Freedom palette, I'm going to just smoke out my lower lash line. I always love to do this step. You can totally skip it if you so feel to skip it. So just apply the blue and then apply a darker blue and blend the two blues together and make sure that both your eyes look uniform. So I keep going back to the other eye if I feel I need to add or blend or whatever, just to make it look more uniform. After this, I'm applying this NYX white liquid eyeliner on the crease as tiny dots. So apply it, put dots, tiny, big, small, different shapes and different sizes, so that it looks more natural, but it's super simple to do. Then I'm taking this glitter. It's just a normal nail art glitter and Makeup Revolution glitter glue. I'm going to apply this glitter on my lower inner part of my eyes, or the tear duct area to be precise. This glitter looks orange, but it's actually iridescent. It just reflects different lights. When lights hit it, it reflects different colors, guys. I'm sorry, I don't know what's wrong with me today. So just applying it to jazz up the look. Now I'm applying some embellishments which are also from the nail art kit, just to make this look more fancy, more artsy, more glamorous. So apply some glue, and then I'm going to press these cute little embellishments on the outer part of my eye. As you guys can see, all in blue shades and one is in white. After this, I just applied mascara and my falsies. Now it's time for the lips. We are done with the eyes. So guys, this is not a regular usual eye makeup look, but it's just an artsy, more fancy kind of a makeup look, just a little more creative. So like always, I'll first line my lips, and then I'm applying my Jeffree Star Watermelon Soda Liquid Lipstick. I just felt this color looked so pretty with this eye makeup look. And yeah, this is about it for today's look. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. It is easy, it looks fancy. You can pull it off for theme parties, for stage makeup, or maybe any such creative ideas if you so feel like doing. So guys, please show this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Leave your valuable comments, share, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with my next video. Till then, ciao ciao.